For decades, India's youth was neglected. Why? Because youth don't form a vote bank. 2014 changed that equation completely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi saw India's youth differently, not as voters to be managed, but as builders of India's next economic cycle. And in 12 years, he built a system entirely around that belief. Startups, Skill India, NEP, Khelo India, IIT and IIM expansion, digital infrastructure, which the world is copying now. This is what 12 years of real transformation looks like. In 2014, India had fewer than 500 startups, just 4 unicorns. Today, 2 lakh startups, more than 100 active unicorns. In 2025 alone, 44,000 new startups were registered, the biggest single-year jump ever. Startup India, launched in 2016, completely flipped the script. This shifted India from being a nation of job seekers to a nation of job creators. Youth from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, even villages, building companies, solving real problems. Today, 45% of recognized startups have at least one woman director. The courage of this generation is literally shaping India's future. In 2014, only 34% of India's workforce was skilled. A country with one of the youngest populations in the world and no real system to back them. That changed with PMKVY, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, 1.42 crore young Indians trained, 1.13 crore certified, 119 future-ready courses. Female participation in skilling jumped from 42.7% to 52.3%. India's median age is 28, and 65% of the population under 35, from 34% to 51.3% skilled workforce just in 1 decade. That is a demographic dividend actually being delivered. For decades, education in India meant memorizing answers, not building solutions. The NEP, National Education Policy, broke that cycle. Practical, multilingual, vocational, future-ready, and access to world-class institutions. IITs and IIMs expanded, reaching newer cities, newer states, students who never had a shot before. Diksha, digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing, delivered 566 crore learning sessions across every state, every board. Knowledge is no longer a privilege of the few. It never should have been. For years, India had the talent, but never the system. Khelo India fixed that. Almost 3,000 young athletes backed with full support, training, equipment, diet, education, everything. Across 235 academies and 21 sports disciplines. And the results speak for themselves. Mirabai Chanu, Olympic silver at Tokyo. PV Sindhu, 2 successive Olympic medals. Women's hockey semi-finals at the Olympics. For the first time ever. Before 2014, millions of young Indians had no bank account, no digital identity, no direct access to anything. The Jam Trinity, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, mobile, changed all of that. Today, over 57 crore Jan Dhan accounts, 5G in 99.9% of India's districts. And UPI is now the world's largest retail fast payment system, recognized by the IMF, carrying 49% of the planet's real-time payments, live in 8 countries across the world. Direct benefit transfer delivered over 49 lakh crore, cutting corruption, cutting middlemen, putting money directly where it belongs. India didn't just go digital. India became the world's digital blueprint. Till 2014, India had only 500 startups, barely skilled, unbanked millions, youth with potential and no platform. 12 years later, 2 lakh startups, 125 unicorns, Olympic medals, world-beating digital rails, a skilled, educated, connected young India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision was crystal clear. India's youth are not a vote bank. They are the architects of Viksit Bharat, a fully developed India. By 2047, the foundation is laid, the system is yours, the mission is alive. You are not watching India rise. You are the reason it is rising.